Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on how to apply copy protection to your Excel workbook. If you want to know how to compile your workbook to exe, you can watch our previous video, which is linked in the description. Applying copy protection to your workbook is really easy. To start the process, just go to your workbook. Go to the DoneEx tab and click Compile. Turn on the copy protection with registration key and hardware locking options. Keep in mind that this is only available to users of the Business Pro license of the DoneEx XCell Compiler. Press Compile to continue. Once the compilation is successful, you will see that your workbook has been compiled into an executable file. When you try to launch this compiled file, you will see this notification. This notification appears when the file is launched on any computer that does not have the custom registration key for that computer and exe file next to it. The person intending to use the file must do a few simple steps to activate this file. First, the user must press on the Copy Computer ID button. Then, they must send that copied ID to the provider of the file. This can be done through an email. Once you receive this information, go to the DoneEx menu on the Excel ribbon and click on the Registration Key Tool button. Navigate to the exe you want to create the registration key for and fill out the necessary fields, including the customer name and email. Then paste the customer computer ID that you have received. Press on the Create Reg Key button to generate the key using the information provided. Once the key is generated, you may find it next to the compiled file. Now you can see that when the compiled file is launched on the correct computer, with that registration key next to it, the executable file will open and function as intended. Thank you for watching this copy protection tutorial and demonstration